Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants. We're here, we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you find right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will be able to send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see in your inbox the picture and the title of the video. And then when you see the picture, you press on it and it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. It's something I use and I enjoy, and I always want to make sure that you guys know about it as well, because to me it is a way that you don't miss out on anything. Also, it's so important in the YouTube platform that you guys take that time to give a thumbs up. It's found right underneath the video. That thumbs up helps me on the YouTube platform because it is so huge that YouTube then looks at the thumbs up and then puts my video in front of other people that haven't had the opportunity to meet me yet, but they do enjoy this type of content. So if you could do that for me, that helps me a lot, and I'm thanking you in advance for doing that, so thank you. Also, what's really, really exciting when we have an opportunity to do giveaways on this channel is because we do it, and it started solely for sharing with you when I end up getting duplicate products. So this ended up being a true fantastic duplicate to give to you guys, because it was when I was transferring from my month-to-month on Amazon that I was transferring to the Allure.com Allure box directly from Allure.com, because when I started getting the Allure box, I think it was possibly even before I even had a channel, and that I did it through the Amazon.com when it became available through there, because I was comfortable on Amazon and it was a month-to-month, and I figured if I didn't like it, I'd be able to cancel and so on and so forth. I have not canceled any box that I have started yet, but this is one of the boxes that I really enjoy, and to be able to have the opportunity that I ended up getting a duplicate, because in the month that I was going to upgrade, I already received my Amazon box in the month of August, and then the news came out about them starting October 1st about the upgrade. So I will definitely leave it in the description box. So if you haven't done it yet, I suggest that you watch that video, because you still have an opportunity, because we're in the month of September. Before October 1st, you have to sign up if you want to lock in the price for the $15 a month, which is what I did. And then I got a bonus box, which I shared with you guys as well. And then I signed up again in the month of August to switch everything over after I got my box, because they had that bonus box as an opportunity. I don't know if you sign up now, if that's still their bonus, but they always give something for you when you sign up for the whole year, and that's what I did. So that's why we have this second box for you guys to, for me to be able to share with you on the channel. And so many of you decided to enter this. It meant everything. And I have a fantastic mix of people that have channels and don't have channels, and are very strong on Instagram or just getting onto Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, you should. It's called True Wants with the number 2. All of our giveaways, we always ask that you follow us on Instagram. So True Wants 2 is the one where you'll get the information about my channel, and I post the pictures of my boxes. I tell you when I'm going to be uploading a video, and then usually at the end of the day after everything, I take a picture of all the products and I show you guys what's in the boxes. And then if that's interesting to you, then it reminds you to come back to YouTube to watch, and to spend time with me and learn more and more about the products in the videos. What's really, really important also is that for me, that you start following on Improving Lifestyles as well on Instagram, because it's through my company with my brother that we ship the goodies out to you. So you just need, for all of our giveaways, to be following me here on YouTube, and to be public. I leave all that information always in the giveaways down below, and then to follow on Instagram, the True Wants 2 and Improving Lifestyles, and then you're all set. So when the giveaways happen, you literally just have to say, enter me in the giveaway, here's my Instagram name, we double check, and then it's really me just writing back saying, you know, you're entered and good luck. So thank you so much for everybody that has entered this and has been not only writing on the giveaways, because I'm telling you, there's so few and far between that come to my channel solely for the giveaways. You guys, I'm recognizing the names more and more and more frequently in the comments, and you guys are sharing so much information, and I enjoy that so much. So thank you so much for always taking the time, that even if you didn't enter the giveaway, you were wishing everyone else luck who was going to enter the giveaway, and you were telling them how much you enjoyed the Allure box and that it'd be a good idea to enter the giveaway. So thank you so much for doing that as well. All right, so the giveaway winner. So how I'm going to get in touch with you, it's going to be really easy. I know a lot of girls also do, you know, you reach me within 48 hours. I love that you guys catch up on my videos. It's so important when you guys watch them right away. That's why the notification is really important. I found out also that YouTube checks within the first 2 hours the amount of people that are watching your videos. So if your notification bell's on and you have a chance to pop in and take a look of what's going on, that helps me a lot too. But your time is your time. The fact that you guys take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me, it's great. I've got a lot of newer subscribers that are catching up on my videos, and they're commenting on all the videos. So I'm getting to know you and your likes and your dislikes, and your name is starting to now something that I look forward to reading what your comments are and things like that. The person that got picked, she has a channel also. It's a smaller channel, and she goes through spurts. So sometimes I see her name a lot, and then sometimes I see it a little bit. And her comment when she got picked was so funny, because she gave up on the Allure box because something happened within customer service for her that didn't leave her with a good taste. And I've never had the opportunity yet to deal with the customer service at Allure.com, because I've only dealt with Amazon.com, and I've had no issues, and it was like clockwork. The middle of the month I got it. So I'm a little nervous for when we're going to get the boxes, and if there's going to be any issues and stuff like that. But it was so cute. So she said, but I'm not nervous about entering your giveaway to get the box. So it was just, it put a smile on my face. And when we read the comment, it made us laugh, and thank you so much for that. So there's so many things that you guys do that you don't even realize. The fact that you take the time to leave the comment puts the smile on, but some of the things that you guys share with me, I'm telling you, I just smile from ear to ear. So the comments are such a lifeline for me. It's just fantastic. Anyways, okay, so the winner of this giveaway, her name is Jean Louise. And what I'm going to do, Jean, is I'm going to go into your comment that you left in the original video, and I'm going to respond to that and tell you that you won. I'm then going to reach out to you through your direct message on Instagram to tell you that you won there as well. So this way, if you don't see the email from YouTube, you will see my direct message on Instagram. And through the direct message, and the reason we go through direct message is we're going to be sharing personal information. So I'm going to be telling you where you are to send your home address that has to be in the USA, or any address in the USA that you're sending it to. I'm you know, if you're Canadian, American, whatever, it has to just be a USA address. So I'm going to ask you for that information in the direct message, and then we're going to finalize everything via email, because then the email then with your address and everything goes into the shipping system that's in Improving Lifestyles, and then the package is going to be coming from Improving Lifestyles to you. So the box that you're going to be getting is the complete box. It is going to be exactly like this in the package. I'm going to bring you everything like as if you got the package from Allure. It is going to have the brochure with all the information, all the discounts in the same tissue paper. I did not open or unpack anything from this one. What I showed on my original video was the one that was the ones that I got, and I shared with you all those items in there. So everything that should be in here is in here, but I did not unpackage anything, so that everything will ship the way that it got shipped to me, so that everything will be in hopefully the same fantastic condition. And then my brother does all the packaging and make sure that it gets out to you guys. I will fill out a card with some information now that I know who the winner is, to share a little bit of our personal relationship that we have just based on the comments. And if you're not familiar with Jean Louise, that is the name of her channel also. And she's a smaller channel, and she's just, I enjoy her. So hopefully you guys will check out her channel too. It's one that she also speaks directly from the heart, and I just enjoy her. So once again, it's Jean Louise. Congratulations, and we'll be in touch. And to everyone else who entered, there is going to be plenty more giveaways on the channel, because that's the way it seems to be going right now, because we are getting a lot of duplicate palettes and things in the boxes and stuff, because I do get doubles of a couple of the boxes, and sometimes we end up with duplicates, and sometimes, especially on BoxyCharm Premium, they seem to always be doing a palette that's supposed to be in everybody's box. So once again, congratulations. The Allure box is going to be on its way. As soon as we hear from you, we get the information. As quickly as we get it, we get those products out, because we ship out all the time because of our company, Improving Lifestyles. All right, once again, as always, I appreciate so much that you guys take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me. So thank you. And as always, continue to stay safe and stay well during this time. And we'll see you all in my next video. Take care, and bye-bye for now.